Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Mercedes C230 compressor maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here, this button, this two button, and also this little button on the instrument cluster over here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, service A is exceeded by 700 days. Now go ahead and press that menu button, this one, until you find that, the mileage. Now press down until you see that service A exceeded by 700 days. Now press and hold this button over here on the instrument cluster until you see, give it a few seconds, there, let go, service interval. Now press and hold again for about 3 seconds and it should be reset. There you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.